You with a status. Don't be discouraged, so I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it, the darkness inside you makes it feel no more. But I see your true colors shining through, and I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors, true colors are beautiful, like a rainbow.